He said I'm aggressive.
Excuse me? He?
You, yeah.
I'm a female.
It's only because you're feeling alive. At first, when I see you cry, it makes me smile. Yeah, it makes me smile.
What are you doing?
Hi, welcome to the grocery store. Do you have a store card? I'm in love with you! What?
But now you know there was a man named Jack Dawson, and that he saved me in every way that a person can be saved.
Now look at what happened. I'm mega gone free or nobody. Mega gone free. I'm mega gone free. I'm mega gone free or nobody. Mega gone free. I'm mega gone free. I'm mega gone free.
I'm a fluffy fur in a furry world. Life in fursuits, it's fantastic. You can brush my fur and hug me everywhere. Imagination, your son is your creation.
I don't say please, I don't say thank you, I just do what I want. And if you want to get with me, you better have what I want. I don't say please, I don't say thank you, I just do what I want. And if you want to get with me, you better have what I want. I don't say please.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
It's just a cigarette and it cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me and you know it makes me sad.
It's just a cigarette like you always used to do.
I was different then, I don't need them to be cool.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
Up and down and round and round. Please come down. Give me my mind back now.
お前はもう死んでいる。
So a couple of days ago, I showed you how to make the base for a paper dragon, and it looked like this. And then I showed you how to draw and make your own face and glue it on there like this. I know some people were concerned about not having good enough drawing skills, so let me show you how you can make the face without having to lift a pencil. So first I start by measuring out the dimensions of the head. Then I'll insert a square like this. Maybe look to the side, and when I put in the dimensions, boom, gets to the right size. I'll do the same for the bottom jaw, and voila. Then I'll look for a reference picture. I know a dimple magician asked if I could do toothless. A nice profile like this should work. So I'll open it in here, and I'll try to play with the size to get it to what I need. I think something about this size should do. So let's move these out of the way, and print. There you go. Luckily the only color he has is a little bit of green in his eyes. So I cut it out of the paper, and I removed his jaw as well. Next I'll glue this on. And if there's a little part sticking out like that, you don't like it, you can just try to cut it off. Like that, leave it alone, or just color it. Now I'll glue on the bottom jaw. With everything glued in place, you have a toothless puppet. No drawing needed. It is a little bit floppy back here, and I could fix that by like gluing something back here to keep it up, but I kind of like the way it looks floppy. It gives it that 3D organic look, I guess. So here it is. And you can use this for all sorts of dragons. Like if you're into Game of Thrones. That's pretty cool. And on top of that, it doesn't have to be a dragon, and you can even put it upside down and have something with a bigger chin. Like, let's say, a certain Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Hey, the platypus! What an unexpected surprise! And of course, you got a color printer. The possibilities are endless. Oh, before we go, I want to try cutting this off, see if I can do that. I don't know if this is going to work, but might as well try, right? Well, here's an example of putting something in there to keep it flopping over. This is just a straw. Let's see if this worked.
Wow! If I had a nickel for every time I was doomed by a puppet, I'd have 2 nickels, which isn't a lot, but it's weird that it happened twice, right?
Either way, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to print out your own heads for your dragon puppet starters. Have a great day, and remember to always stay creative. Bye, everybody!
Bye bye, I am toothless. I have no teeth. No.
Don't forget to like and follow for more creative things.
On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
Hey, what day is it?
It's October 3rd.
Your time is up.
In my last words, I love you, Catherine.
You're determined to die with a lie on your lips.
I love you, Catherine.
Oh, God.
Let's go gambling! Aw, dang it. Aw, dang it.
Do, re, mi, re, re. For fuck's sake, Let's go. I'm the pro here right there. Oh my god, guys. So Sigma guys, so Sigma guys. Ha ha.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You changed. You're getting weak.
In your start is pleasure, boom, she pleasure.
The cocaine is not good for you.
Just because you see a smile, don't think you know what's going on underneath. A smile is a valuable tool, my dear. It inspires your friends, keeps your enemies guessing, and ensures that no matter what comes your way, you're the one in control.
No boundary boredom, no boundary important. I can tell that your drinking eyes never open. I and say somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping.
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew.
Up and down and round and round. Please come down. Give me my mind back now. The sound and
Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, mommy, fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare.
O cholera! Freddy Faber? Pinchilin!
Everybody calm down and tell me what your task was.
I was in admin swiping the card, but it wouldn't go through. I was swiping too hard.
I was downloading data to 100%. I turned around and saw Blue standing next to the vent.
Somebody come watch me scanning the med bay.
I say we vote now to get rid of some dead weight.
But I saw Purple lurking, so suspicious. She kept flipping switches at the O2 sensors.
Switches? That's a keypad. This guy's sus, acting like he's a crewmate just like us.
Kick him off.
That's the only way to protect us. Bye-bye, Cyan. You're gonna regret this!
By iteratively bending a line segment, we get the shape known as the dragon curve. We can also get it by iteratively duplicating and rotating a line segment, or simply by folding a piece of paper over and over again. It's a fractal and a space-filling curve. In fact, its fractal dimension is 2, so you could say it's a 2D line. It can also tile with itself. This is a variation made with triangles. These are also variations of the dragon curve. They are made by changing the bending angle from 90 degrees to every other single angle possible. Like most fractals, the dragon curve is self-similar. It has a reduction ratio of the square root of 2, and with a shift of 45 degrees.
Is this Friday? That's only 4 days away.
Oh, the pH of this soil is too high. I believe I may die. Fuck yeah, concrete!
Check it out, I just made some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls.
Eat some cake? No. Why? Because I'm all out of money!
Just give me my money!
Dude, can you please shut up?
Wait, listen. Just give me my money.
Bro, stop. It's so annoying.
Wait, listen to this. Just give me my money.
Shut up! Shut up!
Dude, is everything okay?
Cherry blossom iced tea. Cherry blossom iced tea.
Cherry blossom iced tea.
Check it out, I just made some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls.
Crush it, melt it, cakeify it, explode it, squish it.
Reduce your expectations to zero.
Now, good night.
Thank you, my lady. Be careful of my heart, won't you? You see, you're taking it home with you tonight. Please, don't break it.
Good night, Your Grace.
If I can't have you, no one can.
Something's creeping closer. There's no one left to find you. I'll take your place inside
right here. That's it's from a movie, okay? It's a character that everyone can make. Own style, of course.
Angela! I can call you Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Aw, I'm a little hurt, Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
Wretch, we're wretch, we're the wretch.
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't